So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to explain a very interesting movie review, and name of this movie is Interstellar 2014. I will tell you what the movie is about, what I liked in this movie and what I did not like in this movie, and if it is worth watching. We will also look at the acting, story, and the best parts of this movie. This review has no spoilers, so let's start, guys. Interstellar is one of the most powerful and emotional science fiction movies ever made, directed by Christopher Nolan, and the film stars Matthew McConaughey, Anna Hathaway, Jessica Chastain, Michael Caine, and Mackenzie Foy. This film is not just about space; it is about love, family, time, and survival. It mixes real science with deep human emotions, creating a movie experience that stays with you long after it ends. Interstellar takes place in a future where Earth is dying, crops are failing, dust storms are destroying cities, and humanity has very little time left. Our main character Cooper is a former NASA pilot who now works as a farmer. He lives with his daughter Murph and son Tom. Murph believes that is a mysterious force trying to communicate with them. Now, Matthew McConaughey as a Cooper, this is one of the best performances of his career. He brings heart, emotion, and pain to the role. His scenes with Murph are incredibly powerful, especially when he must leave Earth. Anna Hathaway plays Dr. Emilia Brand, a scientist full of hope and belief. Her character represents humanity's courage and curiosity. Now, Christopher Nolan delivers a movie that is both scientifically complex and emotionally simple at its core. The way he connects science with human feelings is incredible. Interstellar is not just about exploring space, it is about exploring what it means to love, hope, and survive. The screenplay plays with time, dilation, gravity, quantum physics, black holes, and the idea that love is a powerful force. What I liked in this movie: emotional father daughter story, powerful acting, breathtaking visuals, realistic science and concepts, beautiful music by Hans Zimmer, a story that makes you think deeply. What I did not like in this movie: some scientific explanations may feel confusing. The movie is long and slow paced in some parts. People who expect pure action may feel it is too emotional, but honestly, these are small issues compared to the brilliance of the film. Interstellar 2014 is more than a movie, it is an emotional and physiological experience. It mixes science and human emotions in the way that very few films can. It is a story about fathers, daughters, love, hope, and the sacrifices we make for the love we care about. If you enjoy science fiction, space movies, emotional storytelling, and Christopher Nolan's films, that this is must watch masterpiece. It was break your heart, inspire you, and make you think about life in a new way. So that's my review of Interstellar 2014. Did you like the movie or was there something you did not like? Write your thoughts in the comments below. I would love to read them. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Thank you, guys.